expression today of a collaboration between SKAL International Cairns, between WAITO, who is hosting the Australian Indigenous Tourism Conference here in Cairns, and together we are making a dedication and a welcome to the Rainforestation joining the IIPT Global Peace Parks initiative. Our mission at IIPT, and the reason that we have these peace parks, it's an outward expression of setting aside a piece of land to demonstrate a commitment to building a culture of peace.
Gal from IIPT promotes that she hopes more regions and towns with tourism interests will take up this invitation and becomes part of the program which encourages the tourism industry to create a culture of peace and for all travellers to be peace ambassadors.
So peace can be demonstrated through positive tourism, and today what we will see over the next few days I believe reflects what positive tourism means, how we see positive tourism in action. And I believe that today we are doing that by dedicating and welcoming the Rainforestation into the Global Peace Parks project.
It is an honour that Rainforestation has received recognition as a peace park. In conclusion, we're very proud to be part of this peace movement, and thank you all for coming, and have a great night.